So now in Bear Printing, once you find the Bear Printing app, you connect. This is going to ask you to sign in with your Bear Printing account. You click sign in. It now connects your account. So you have home, users, print. Under users, there's your photos and your logos. Text is all your contact information. And admin is where you can tag your documents. And then home is where you can browse your listings. So I have these tagged currently, and I'm going to show you kind of what it looks like. So browse listings. You can see this property is property number 1. If I go property number 3, these are all the property, all the information for the property, and then you have this merge tab. On this document, I can select merge document, and you'll watch. The address changed, the bullet features changed, and all 3 photos changed. So now how you set that up is under the admin button. So if I click the first photo, you'll see that that's tagged. What you do is you want that to be image 1. So you can just search for image, and then all the image options are below. So that's going to be listing photo 1. So you select that, and then select tag. You do that for photo 2 or image 2, listing photo 2, and tag. And then number 3 with that selected, you say image, listing photo 3, and tag. And then for your address, you do address. And then you can do address blocks, and then you can also do 1 line. So that's how we have this one. So we're going to pick the 1 line, and that's selected, so you say tag selection. These are your bullets or your features, so we'll search for bullets. And then you have individual bullets down on the list. You also have 1 through 6 and then 7 through 12. But the short form we have here are bullets short, 1 through 4. So we're going to pick that one, say tag selection. And then now to show you this document change again, we could just go to home, go back, search another property, click merge, select merge document, and you'll see everything just merged over. So you can have your template that you like and love and just merge it with whatever new listing information you have.